friends who love tangy and sweet pickled fruits as much as I do. Today, let's make delicious sweet and sour pickled green papaya.
I've previously shared a video on how to make sweet and sour mangoes. If you're interested, go check it out. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. The main ingredient is green papaya. Since the papaya is very large, I previously made another video sharing how to make green papaya and barley soup. After peeling the green papaya, slice it and set it aside. Try to slice the papaya really thin, this way. It soaks up the flavors better, turns out super crispy, and best of all, it pickles much faster so you can enjoy it in no time. An easy golden ratio to start with is equal parts white vinegar and sugar. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can adjust it by using slightly more sugar, like a ratio of 1 to 1.2. Remember to boil the vinegar and sugar together until the sugar fully dissolves, so the flavors blend perfectly. After pickling, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, but overnight is best. After 2 hours it will be crisp and tasty. But if you can wait until the next day, the flavors will be fully blended and each slice will be perfectly seasoned. First, toss the green papaya with salt to draw out its excess moisture. This results in a much crisper texture that won't get soggy easily. It also removes some bitterness, allowing the sweet and sour flavors to penetrate more effectively. I skipped the step of adding salt, and the texture is still actually very crunchy. I marinated it for about 2 hours, and the flavor has been absorbed quite well by the green papaya. First off, it's a real appetite booster. That sweet and tangy flavor instantly wakes up your taste buds, which is perfect for a refreshing snack on a hot day when you don't have much of an appetite. Another great thing is the texture. The pickling process makes the green papaya incredibly crisp and crunchy. It's much more satisfying and fun to eat compared to having it raw. And lastly, it's just so simple to make. You don't need any advanced cooking skills. Just slice the papaya, mix it with the marinade, and then let time do the rest of the work. It's an easy and healthy snack anyone can whip up. First off, white vinegar used in this recipe is a fantastic natural cleaner and disinfectant. Using it to wipe down kitchen counters or cutting boards can effectively inhibit bacteria, and it's much safer and more eco-friendly than many chemical cleaners. Secondly, it's very useful in cooking. Adding a little while cooking not only enhances freshness and cuts through grease, making dishes taste more refreshing, but it can also tenderize meat when marinating. Finally, it offers several health benefits. For example, having a little vinegar with your meals can help stabilize post-meal blood sugar levels and increase the feeling of fullness, which is helpful for weight management. This pickled green papaya makes a perfect appetizer. Its sweet, sour, and crisp flavor instantly awakens your palate. Whether served before a main meal or enjoyed on a lazy afternoon, it offers a refreshing and delightful experience. Simple, healthy, and utterly addictive, you won't be able to stop at just one bite. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.